Hi guys, welcome back to Unbox. I'm your host Isnan Abbas, and today's video we're going to talk about the facelift of 2021 Hilux Revo. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get the notifications of the upcoming video. Link in the descriptions below, and don't forget to follow us on social media as well. The 2020 Toyota Hilux facelift has just made its debut in Thailand along with visual enhancements, and the new Hilux gets a power boost under its hood. In terms of exterior, the new 2020 Hilux facelift boasts a new much larger version of its Tacoma inspired grille. There is a new angular headlamps with bi-LED projectors as well as LED indicators and positioning lamps. Other changes at the front include L-shaped fog lamp surrounds along with slim center intake in the lower apron. The rear end gets redesigned LED taillights with hexagonal shaped graphics. The standard variants gets a 17-inch alloy wheels, while the higher trims get 18-inch alloy wheels, are redesigned with the more distinctive dual-tone look. 3 body styles are available as before: single, extra and double cabin, depending on the market where the pickup truck is sold. Inside, the changes aren't as drastic as the exterior, with the new design for the instrument cluster and the 4.2-inch multi-info display. There is also an 8-inch infotainment screen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support, which can be had with the 9-speaker JBL sound system that comes with an 800-watt 8-channel amplifier and Clarify technology. The list of equipment includes keyless entry and start, satellite navigation, automatic air conditioning as well as front and rear parking sensors among others. Under the hood, the 1GD FTV 2.8-liter turbo diesel gets a power boost which now churns out 204 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, which is more than the previous available 177 horsepower and 450 Nm. The transmission choice is either a 6-speed manual or automatic, while the Toyota claims the new Hilux will get from 0 to 100 km/h in under 10 seconds, while returning an average fuel economy of 7.8 liters per 100 km. For other markets, the engine lineup includes the existing 2GD FTV 2.4-liter turbo diesel and 2TR FE 2.7-liter petrol-driven engine with the option of 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive trains. Suspension upgrades includes revised shock absorbers, new bushings and an improved leaf spring design to provide a more comfortable ride, particularly over rough roads with low loads. The new Hilux has already been launched in Thailand, where it is known as the Hilux Revo and is offered in 3 cab styles distributed across 4 variants: B-Cab, Pre-Runner, Z-Edition and Rocco. The engine lineup there consists of 2.8-liter turbo diesel engines with low and high states of tune depending on the variant. A host of active safety features like dynamic radar, cruise control, a pre-collision system, lane departure warning with steering assist are also available. As for Pakistani region, there is no word from Toyota IMC whether this car will make it to Pakistan or not. However, we can expect that this car will be available in the second quarter of 2021 with a little price bump. So guys, this was the first look of the facelift of 2021 Toyota Hilux Revo. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time guys, this is your host Isnan Abbas signing out.